guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. Let's talk about some of the latest makeup launches coming out and that you can look forward to. Let's go. Okay, so first thing I see here, a new milkshake collection of hair and body fragrance mist from Ellis Brooklyn, inspired by the East Coast beach scene where sunshine and sweet refreshments go hand in hand. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. I was thinking of East Coast. I guess like the Hamptons, Jersey Shore. Okay. They retail for $35 each. Mango milkshake mist, keynotes, mango mousse, vanilla, lychee milkshake mist, sparkling cassie, banana milkshake mist, banana milk, vanilla, rumwood. Available May 13th. I've smelled Ellis Brooklyn scents. Not the biggest fan of them. However, I like some of the notes in here. Y'all can keep the banana one. I usually don't like things that smell like banana. I go back and forth on if I like the taste of bananas. I don't want to smell like them. That lychee milkshake, the mango milkshake, and we're going on to summer. I would at least go smell these. I would smell them at least. Patrick Todd's giving us a tease of upcoming new products. A concealer brush, coming soon on their website, and Sephora will keep you updated. Well, you already know how I feel about the foundation. So if he gave us a concealer to go with it, yes sir. Ooh, what is this? Available now in Europe, new bronzing cream from Chanel. And y'all know I go straight to that last one because that's the only option I'm gonna have is the last one. And that last one, I don't know, it looks a little light in the picture. Maybe I can make that last one work. And this retails for 50 pounds. I don't know what that converts to. It comes in 6 shades. I'm gonna keep scrolling. New Skin Fetish Glass 00 Legendary Glow Setting Spray for a glass skin finish from Pat McGrath, a hydrating weightless formula that locks makeup in place for 16 hours while maintaining color vibrancy all day. Retails for $38, coming soon on their website. Yeah, give it to me. Give it to me. Summer's coming. I just told y'all about body care that can make your skin glisten. Give me the products that can make my face glisten. Please and thank you. Absolutely. Yeah. Talking about some Pat McGrath fell off. Where? Yummy new Glow Gloss SPF 40 lip balm from Super Goop, a high shine glossy lip balm that leaves lips ultra hydrated with a sheer non-sticky finish and without the SPF taste. Okay, retails for $22 each. There is vanilla soft serve, pink peppermint, and strawberry spritz. I'm intrigued. I would try it. Okay, new Hydro Slime Primer from Glam. Slime, but make it skin prep. This is their bounciest, dewiest, most addictive formula yet. Retails for $8.49. I have tried Glam. I liked some of the stuff that I tried from them. Some of the other stuff I'm like, but also this, if you don't know, this is the makeup line from Shein. I feel like, you know, if you go into it with realistic expectations, you're not surprised that some of it is like hit or miss. The slime aspect is throwing me off a little bit. It's giving like, I guess, a gripping type of primer. I don't know if it did feel like slime. Knowing myself, I would want it just for the fact that it felt like slime or looked like slime. But yeah, if you try that, let me know how you like it. New shades for summer: Gloss Bomb Ice by Fenty Beauty, a lip luminizer with an immediate cooling effect, juicy wet looking finish, and minty scent. Retails for $26. There is iced pineapple, berry jelly, melon chills, and cucumber. Baby, one thing about it, Fenty gonna eat up the names of their products, because cucumber, please don't play with them. Y'all know I like gloss bombs, the original gloss bombs, gloss bomb heats, anything like that, and the colors are very cute. I like products that give off that like minty cooling type of effect. Well, I like it heated up or cooled down. I like it both ways. So y'all know I'll always throw a little gloss bomb in the cart. Charlotte Tilbury has new lip products. The Lip Cheat Contour Duo Lip Liner retails for $26, and the Big Lip Plumpgasm Plumping Lip Gloss new shades and finish, retails for $35. Charlotte makes good lip products. I feel like they're a little slept on a little bit, but like her bullet lipsticks and her glosses are chef's kiss. I'm a little intrigued on the lip liner. I'm gonna have to check that out. The deep shade, y'all know I go straight to the brown or black shade when it comes to lip liner. I'm intrigued. New from NYX Cosmetics, new smushy matte lip balm. I for some reason thought this was a blush, but a soft matte buildable tinted lip balm delivers a plush blurred effect and soft matte finish. I didn't see that. I would try one. It's not, I'm looking at it and nothing is saying like, oh, like some NYX products do that to me. Not this one, but I would at least try like one. Hailey Bieber is giving us a tease of her next new product, and it looks like a skincare product. I still need to try their toner, the milk. Is it? Yeah, no, it's not toner. It's an essence, I think. Their milk essence, but I'm making my way through, excuse me, a pharmacy essence right now. But I've heard, you know, well, I feel like I hear more so good things about Rhode Beauty than I was about to say hit or miss, but I feel like I hear more so good things about them. And like the negative things I hear because like people don't like Hailey Bieber, not so much the products. Which, let me tell y'all, actually no. Okay, available now in Europe, new perfume from Tom Ford, private blend. I know that's I know it's not fabulous. What is that word that's censored? A magnified leather, and that's all I have to know. I'm going to assume this is like cologne, but y'all know I don't be playing with Tom Ford fragrances anyway, so let me just go ahead and scroll on. I don't even know why I stopped. I'm just going to assume that like Fenty be hearing me. They be hearing me. Because you guys did not know, look who's coming back. Summer 2025, Body Lava from Fenty. A smooth gel-based body luminizer that glides on and leaves skin looking dewy. I believe it retails for, $59, which is how much it retailed for the first time around. Yeah. Now, does it get on your clothes? Yeah. Be mindful of that. Not as much. But yeah, it do get on your clothes. But if you want glistening skin, you want a body luminizer, that does exactly what it has to. I wore that for my birthday, like in my birthday dress, and the comments were like, tell us what it is, tell us what it is. And I told everyone what it is, and then they were like, we can't buy it anymore. Babes, which one you want? You asked me to tell you what it was, I told you what it was. It's not my fault you can't buy it anymore. But I know I can see why y'all wanted it, because it's good. New fragrance. Laba from Carolina Herrera invites the wearer to spread their wings and soar high, living carefree, housed in a butterfly bottle, capturing the essence of celebrating one's achievements with its floral, fruity nuances. I don't see a price here. A floral amber fragrance with top notes of pitaya, middle notes of cherry, base notes vanilla. And baby, one thing, Caroline's gonna give you a good packaging, right? Kind of like Ponytail. You know, the other one that comes like a shoe is very popular because it comes, you know, in shoe packaging. Now this one as a butterfly. I like the idea of this brand for the packaging, but I don't be liking her fragrances. So new in Europe, perfume and fragrance mist collection from DKNY. My mom used to love that brand, like back in the day. And I feel like I haven't heard much or seen much of them like since then. So, you know, feel good moment. Inspired by refreshing fruit popsicles that are guaranteed to cool you down on a hot day, there is Be Delicious Ice Pop Citrus, Be Delicious Ice Pop Berry Cherry, and Be Delicious Ice Pop Berry Bliss. I don't see a price here. Packaging. Some of these notes that I'm seeing, it gives, I would probably like how this smells because I like sweet fragrances. I don't like overly sweet, like, you know, like nauseous type sweet, but I would smell it. I would smell it. DKNY used to have good fragrances. Okay, just a in a fragrance roll here. New perfume available in Europe from Sarah Jessica Parker's Perfume collection, a fragrance collection designed to express her personality with elegance, confidence. I guess we're going back in that whole like every celebrity is going to have their own fragrance line type thing, because I did scroll past one on here talking about Drake's fragrance, you know, Billie Eilish, Sabrina Carpenter, Ponytail, Beyonce, Rihanna. It's funny how things repeat themselves. But let's see here. There is Blue Rhapsody, my bad. Smitten in Pink, Divine Lime. I don't see a price here. Again, packaging be getting me sometimes. I just want to smell it just because you have very cute packaging. But let's see the top notes of the blue one. Mandarin Musk. They might get me. They might get me. Top notes in the pink one. Marigold Orange. The top notes in the Divine Lime, Bergamot, Grapefruit, Mandarin. She might get me. If it comes to America, she might get me, because I be liking those notes in fragrances. All right, y'all, last thing I have for you today, there's a new beauty brand that's about to drop. Say hello to Not Beauty by Siza. She was teasing her beauty line during her Super Bowl performance with a glassy nude lip. I'm not a beauty maven, but I know lips. First drop includes lip gloss in 3 shades. Flesh Strawberry Jam, coming soon on their website and pop-ups. Now, I have actually heard people talking about this, people saying like, why would she do that? She should have done bundles, blah, blah, blah. Listen, forget what y'all talking about, because one thing about it, when they said known for her juicy lips, they weren't playing, okay? I think it's Mob Wives from Fenty Beauty. I saw that on Siza. I said, what does she have on? I need to go buy, and that's exactly what I did. Yeah, she ain't missed with any lip combination I've seen her in that I went and I got. Her lips always look good. So go ahead and give it to me. I'm here for it. Thank you, Miss Ma'am. There are hundreds of other people you can go get bundles from. If she wanted to sell bundles, she would have sold bundles. Like, y'all are just, But anyway, I'm here for it. And the promo pics, yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Those are some of the things coming out that you can look forward to. Like I said, a lot of fragrance, which I'm not mad at. And, you know, again, I'm assuming, you know, the rollout is that way because we're getting into summer. They're assuming people are going to be outside more. You want to be outside smelling fresh, clean, juice. Also, there's like a theme of more juicy, citrus, fruity fragrances. That also makes sense. You know, people are going to be taking vacations. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of some of these releases. If there's anything that is coming out that you would like to see a video on, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.